There you go. Ah, focus on me, please. Okay, there. And me. Oh, skateboard. Hey, skateboard. Hey guys, it's another video, and if you've seen the slime one, it's uploading, and yeah, there was one more thing in the slime. We forgot. Come on, let's go check it out. I accidentally forgot, like, there was a hand in there. I gotta find it. Let's see. Where is the hand? Oh, found it. Right here. See, there's a hand. Right there. A Lego hand? Yeah, from the other episode. Yeah. And so in this one, we are going to be like Kate Skateboard Dude. Let's go on to him. So guys, we're gonna be making stuff, and you have to check what it is. So I already made mine. Come on. Okay now. So let's check it out. Guys. So the one over here, he has to guess what it is. Actually, this is how it goes, the game. So, you have to dig in here, and our two helpers, Leo and Natalie, are going to be doing it. We're going to dig in here, and we have to guess what it is, but we have to close our eyes, so, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, I'm going to be boarding. Whee! Hey! Just in case you're hungry. So let's get started. So let's get started. Leo's gonna dig first. Okay. Let's see. So let's see what this is. We'll come back when you see what we find, so, yeah. Oh, and also there's going to be music starting when we find something, okay? Yeah, bye. Okay, one confession to make. We're sorry, but we can't put music, but it's fine. So let's keep on going. Oh, and he found something. Let's go. Okay, so I found something from a Lego. Let's guess what that is then. Supposedly, I don't think anybody knows what this is. I don't even know either. So let's skip that. We're going on to the next one. My turn. I got something. Oh gosh. Okay, there. Okay, what we found are pants. They look nice. Let's go on to the next person. Next up, it's me. So, yeah. Oh, I found on something hard. This is what we have so far. Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go on to me. And look, I found, a hat. A hat. Yeah. Yay. Now let's put that in the pile over there. Okay, it's your turn. Slime! So, nothing here. Oh, here's something. Ooh, diamond. It's just really hard to get out. Okay, got it. So this is what we got, diamond. So let's put that in the pile. So far we got 4 stuff. Don't forget. You mean 5? Not just kidding. I'm in it. Okay, so next one. It's me.
Oh, I actually found 3 stuff.
3?
Yes.
Oh, look.
Yes. Yes, I tell you. 3 stuff. So we found the head, put that in the pile, and the stick, put that in the pile, and fire, put that in the pile.
So this is what we got so far. What we found right now was
I actually found 4 stuff.
a head, a stick, and the body, and a fire. So that's all we found, and there's more. So my turn now. So we're gonna leave this one to them. So we're gonna find it, guys. Superman. Let's see what we got. What? Kate skateboard? Me. What were you doing in there?
I know. I was just having fun.
Well, let's get on to the next one. Let's see this one. What are you doing here? I'll just trying to trick you. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe. And see you in our next video. Kate Skateboard, come on. Say bye. Bye. And this is what we found. You're forgetting about me and me. Bye. Bye.
Hey.
What about me?